Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease Alternatives and why our click fraud prevention is the best. Here at ClickCease, we've seen our customer signups grow by over 80% in 1 year. In the second quarter of 2020, we saw a 35% rise in new signups. Click fraud detection provides by extensive analytics and record click fraud. Start protecting your ads now. Our community is growing, here's why. The safety and peace of mind is worth a lot more than they charge. Do not run an AdWords campaign without ClickCease. It pays off. Get a ClickCease account for free today and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Unfortunately, it falls into a gray area where it should be illegal, but it's not, leading to thousands of dollars being wasted. We don't believe this is fair and will do everything we can to make sure your ads are fully protected and you get the most out of your ad budget. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.